Hello and welcome. I am Kunal from EPK Capital. At EPK Capital, we build wealth for generations. If you take a look at the current financial landscape in India, you will notice a massive shift happening right under our noses. Traditional legacy banks, the household names we have trusted for decades, are currently offering around 6% to 6.5% interest on standard fixed deposits. But then you look across the horizon and see a different set of institutions. Small finance banks are offering enticing rates of 7.5%, 8%, or even up to 8.5% for senior citizens. Naturally, your inner voice starts asking questions. Is this extra 2% interest a golden opportunity to maximize returns, or is it a hidden financial trap? To understand whether your money is safe, we first need to strip away the confusion about what a small finance bank actually is. Small finance banks are full-fledged banking institutions licensed directly by the Reserve Bank of India under Section 22 of the Banking Regulation Act. They go through an incredibly rigorous vetting process and are subject to the same stringent regulations and audits from the RBI as the largest banks in the country. The RBI created these banks with a clear purpose: to drive financial inclusion. Their goal is to provide services to small businesses, farmers, and the unorganized sector. Now, as a bonus, I have created an in-depth guide to the 7 costly tax traps for high net worth NRS. You can download it via the link in the description. When it comes to fixed deposits, the biggest fear is what happens if the bank shuts down? To answer this, we look at the ultimate safety net, the DICGC. The DICGC is a 100% wholly owned subsidiary of the Reserve Bank of India. Under this framework, every depositor is legally insured for up to 5 lakhs rupees. Let us clarify exactly what this 5 lakh rupees limit means. This cap includes both your principal investment amount and the accumulated interest you have earned. From a strict safety perspective, a deposit in a small finance bank enjoys the exact same legal protection as a deposit in the largest commercial bank in India. In the world of finance, there is no such thing as a free lunch. If small finance banks are paying you more, they must have a logical business reason. Legacy banks have thousands of branches and millions of customers. Because they have an abundance of low-cost capital, they do not need to fight for your deposits. Small finance banks lend to micro borrowers who are comfortable paying 18% to 24% for business loans. Because their margin is higher, they can pass a piece of that pie to you. However, these microloans are often uncollateralized. During economic downturns, default rates can spike faster than in corporate portfolios. This is the primary risk. Now that we understand the risks and rewards, let us look at the practical rules of the game so you can avoid critical mistakes. Remember that the 5 lakh rupees insurance limit applies per depositor, per bank. If you invest 10 lakh rupees into a single bank, only 5 lakh rupees is fully protected. To maintain absolute safety, your initial principal should be structured slightly lower, around 4.25 lakhs rupees, ensuring the total payout remains under the 5 lakh rupees threshold. Under recent amendments, the DICGC is now legally mandated to return the insured amount within a strict 90-day window. This reduces the time your capital would be locked. As wealth management experts, we never advise clients to avoid opportunities out of fear. The key is tactical asset allocation and the multi-bank spreading strategy. Instead of dumping 15 lakhs rupees into a single bank, you split the capital, say 4.25 lakhs rupees into Bank A, Bank B, and Bank C. You capture 8% interest with zero net structural risk. Small finance bank fixed deposits are not a marketing gimmick. They are a highly regulated, mathematically sound tool designed to help you beat inflation. If you would like a professional assessment of your current portfolio or want to explore how to safely structure your investments, we invite you to start a conversation with us. Thank you for your time today. I am Gunal from EPK Capital, where we build wealth for generations. Take care, and we will see you in our next discussion.